Today, I'm excited to show you how to create a link in bio page directly on your Squarespace website. This is a great alternative to using external platforms like Linktree, Campsite, TapLink, Link in Profile, or even Squarespace's own bio sites. Sorry, Squarespace. I think those are all great for people who don't have a website but still want to share links. If you do already have a website, you can totally build out a links page on your own site. And in this video, I will show you how to do that on Squarespace and also explain why I think this is the better solution. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Catherine Forbes, founder of Designing the Row, and I'm a Squarespace expert and authorized trainer. Really quick before we dive in, I want to let you know that if you're looking to build your own website, I have a special Squarespace discount code available at designingtherow.com/Squarespace. It's a great way to get started on your own site with 20% off, so be sure to check it out. First, let's talk about why you should consider using your own website for your link in bio. First benefit would be your SEO benefits. By linking to your site from social media, you're boosting your SEO with backlinks from trusted platforms. Part of your SEO score comes from getting links to your site from other sites. But if you use something like Linktree, you're not getting any SEO benefit from your link in bio page. Linktree is getting that. The second benefit is brand consistency. Creating a link in bio page on your own site will give you complete control over your visuals, ensuring your link in bio page reflects your brand's identity. Your link will also use your own domain name rather than something like linktree.com or biosite.com/ whatever your name is. Tracking. So you can use tools like Bitly for tracking if you'd like to track every click from your links page, but you can also take advantage of your website's built-in analytics to see how much traffic your page is getting. And the fourth benefit is that it's cost effective. You won't have to pay for another platform or manage yet another account if you build out your links page on your website. Okay, if you're on board and still with me, let's set up your link in bio page. I will switch over to my screen to show you mine and show you how you can create your own step-by-step. Here we are on the back end of my Designing the Row website. This is my link in bio page. This is what it looks like on desktop, although I'm assuming that most people are going to see this in the mobile view. So it really is just a page with a column of buttons, but I'm going to show you how to create something like this for yourself. You can see I've got a couple little images up at the top. I've got my social icons, some text, and then buttons with a background image. It's going to be super simple to create. We're going to start over here from scratch. So what we are going to do first, let's focus on the most important part of this whole thing, which is the buttons. So put your button here. And the easiest way to create this is going to be create one button, pick the style that you want to use on this page. And then if you click this button right here, it looks like two little blocks. That's the duplicate button. And then just duplicate your button however many times you want. And then what you can do is go back in, hit the edit mode, and maybe we're going to say like enter website. And then link to your homepage here. Maybe this one is going to be YouTube channel. And earlier I mentioned maybe you would want to use Bitly links here. This is where you would put your Bitly link. So if you want to track exactly how many clicks you're getting from this link in bio page, you can create a Bitly link for your YouTube channel and then put that link right here. If you don't want to do that, just simply link to your YouTube channel, and then whichever links you want to do, add those here. Okay, so that's the main functionality, super simple. Let's come into mobile because that's going to be the most important view here, and just kind of style these things as we go. All right. So we're looking good on desktop and mobile. Now, if you want to spruce up your page a little bit, you can. But honestly, this would work just fine as your links page. But let's keep going. So you saw that I had a background image. If you've been using your site for a while, you might already have a site on the back end of your Squarespace site that you can, or an image on the back end of your site that you can access, or you can drag and drop one up in here, or browse stock images if you want to use a stock image. Let's see if I can find the one that I used on my actual page. There it is. We're going to add that in, and then come over here to colors. Go with dark in the background, maybe make that a little darker so the buttons pop some. And then I'm just going to, you saw I just click and drag and highlight all those buttons. Let's move those down so I can add the elements above. We can add some text. We center that block here. Thanks for visiting my link in bio. Center that text. Let's see, I also had like my headshot up here. There's my picture. I've already got it cropped into a circle, but I'll show you here. If I click this version of it that's not in a circle, you can easily turn it into a circle just by clicking shape. And then there's actually lots of shapes. Some of them are strange, but you can do that here directly in Squarespace. And then you can see it's kind of cutting my head off a little bit. So I'm just going to click and pull this little white circle up a little bit. And there we go. We'll pull my face over. Let's just kind of click and drag and arrange things as you go. And on my other one, I also had my logo. Just some little design features there. Let's see where it might live. All the way at the bottom here. And then we can size that down, drag that over. Again, if you're layering graphics, let's see. Maybe do it like this. If you want to, if an image ends up on top of another and you want to change that, these other little blocks here will move things forward and backwards when you layer them. I think the other thing that I had on that actual page, the link in bio page, were my social links. We'll add that block in. Pull my buttons down one more time. Let's see. If I can get these buttons down, maybe I'll pull them up like this. Maybe center that text in that block. I'll put it back up top. There we go. And then we go something like that. And now if we preview over here, got a few things to adjust for sizing on mobile. And there you go. There is a custom link in bio page on your actual website. All right, I'm going to hit save here. Come back to desktop view, hit exit. When you share this link, if you want to customize it, hover over your page name and click the little settings gear. And if you change this URL slug, that is, you can customize your URL to whatever you'd like it to be. So mine, I believe, is like /insta. Yeah, /insta. If you want it to be like /link in bio / whatever, you can customize that right here with the URL slug. And that is how you create a link in bio. Again, here's the mobile view that people will be seeing. You can hide the header if you like, so it's just this, and hide the footer if you'd like. Personally, I don't mind it, so I leave it so I can have my logo. If people want to navigate the website on their own, they can. If they don't want to use any of my links, they can still go through my website in this way. And I don't mind having these things down here at the bottom. But do as you wish. That is how I'd recommend creating a link in bio page on your Squarespace website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials. And if you have any questions or want to share your own link in bio page as inspiration for others, drop it in a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.